Hello, my name is Dylan Zaccanini with Galley Brands, and I'm going to introduce you our two brands of disposable cutting boards for the recreational fishing and camping marketplace, Fishing Mates and Galley Boards. All of our products are made from sustainably sourced solid bleach sulfate paperboard, and they have a thin FDA-approved polyethylene coating on both sides to enhance durability and moisture resistance. And all of our products except Big Catch also have a scored perimeter, which allows the option of folding up the sides to help contain cuttings and fluids. Under our Fishing Mates line, first we have Fishing Mate bait boards. 11-inch by 13.5-inch disposable bait boards packaged in 25 count. Preparing bait is a messy job, but bait boards take the cleaning element out of the process, and they're durable enough to handle the prep work. You just cut, and then when you're finished, responsibly dispose or recycle without leaving a drop behind, because the option to use the fold-up sides. Next we have our standard size Fishing Mates 12-inch by 17.5-inch disposable fish cleaning boards, also known as Fillet boards, in a pack of 15. These boards are sized for the average take-home catch and also have the optional fold-up sides. And lastly, but certainly not least, we have Fishing Mates Big Catch, 13-inch by 36-inch disposable fish cleaning boards, and a pack of 15 for those who really like to push the limits. Our Big Catch boards come scored in the center and come packaged, folded in half for easier storage and transportability. Galley boards provide a sanitary and convenient food preparation surface for campers and boaters alike. They are available in a standard size 11-inch by 13.5-inch pack of 25. Whether preparing vegetables or meats for a barbecue Sunday, or have a concern for cross-contamination, food allergies, or foodborne illness, as with all of our products, a fresh, clean cutting surface is just a sheet away. Our final product for this presentation is Galley Boards Half Size, a pack of 25 7-inch by 11-inch disposable cutting boards. These are perfect for preparing appetizers, an afternoon snack, or garnishes for cocktail hour. Galley Brands is under license from the Traywell Group for all products, patents, and trademarks. There is a patent and other patents pending for all of our products and the production capacity to supply any commercial and consumer demand. Thank you for watching our video, and we'll see you at the show.